Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Can you do what I can do?
Yes, I can do it.
Jesus loves me.
Yes, I know. For the Bible tells me so. Little ones to heal me low. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
I'm going to play for you a video. You follow, all right?
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Today we're going to be starting a new unit on magnetism and static electricity. And over the course of the unit, we'll do a lot of really cool demonstrations and activities with magnets, with static electricity. We'll be looking at some properties of magnets. You'll be seeing how you can make your own magnets at home and testing the magnetic properties of other materials. Over the next few lessons, we'll be looking at all these characteristics individually in detail, but today I just want to kind of give you a little bit of an overview so you can identify magnets and so that you'll kind of have a better idea of what's coming up over the next few days. The first characteristic is that every magnet has to have a magnetic field. It has to produce its own magnetic field. The second characteristic of all magnets is that these magnets will pull on or attract ferromagnetic materials. The third characteristic that you see here, though, is that magnets will attract or repel other magnets.
From the video you have watched, I'm sure, if there is somebody who is following, can help us to identify one characteristic of a magnet. That person must have seen something, rather must have followed something. Okay, Junior. Did you follow that? Please help us, help my friend Gayla to see those balls. Can you give him flowers? Help Gayla, show her those parts. Get your magnet, you have it. Up. Okay, thank you, Junior. Junior has helped Kayla to understand that there is North Pole and
South Pole.
North Pole and
South Pole.
Kayla, can you please appreciate Junior?
Thank you.
Wow. I need somebody to help us identify what we are going to study today. Yes, Rango. Give her factor 1. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Yes, Baraka. Wow, factor 2. All right. Characteristics of a
Magnet.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the two principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
Now, relax. I want you to help me do this. Okay? Please turn around. That's your friend. Join here. Have your magnet here.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why we are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
You're going to find for me magnetic materials right here. Magnetic materials. You make sure you use your magnet and find for me the characteristic. Okay? Right here. One by second, we'll go there and show us. Right? Wow, I need non-magnetic. A magnet has two poles to show us both poles.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
We have people who have identified characteristics of magnets. Are we there? So we are starting with people who identified magnetic materials. Please step forward, you help us. Can we follow Baraka?
Magnetic material.
All of us?
Magnetic materials.
Nails.
Nails.
Pins.
Pins.
Coins.
Coins.
Steel.
Seals.
A knife.
A knife.
And a scissor.
Wow. Can you give him flowers? Thank you, Baraka. Okay, Dariren, you're going to give us non-magnetic materials. Am I right?
Yes.
Can we follow Dariren, please?
Non-magnetic materials.
Non-magnetic materials.
Paper.
Paper.
Book.
Book.
Pen.
Pen.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Wow, hot hand clap. Today we have looked at
Characteristics of a magnet.
come again.
Characteristics of a magnet.
can now identify things using a what? A magnet, right? If you lose your pin, you have known that a pin is a magnetic material. You get your magnet and look for it, right? All right? Are magnets good? Are magnets good? Yes. Now, in your books, I have a little homework for you to help me do it. You do your findings, then I mark you tomorrow, right? Okay. That has been our lesson for today. It has been good. Right? Right? Clap for yourselves.